There can possibly be no better place to celebrate the EU's 60th birthday than from its democratic heart. Now, here on the steps of the European Parliament seat here in Brussels, crowds of people from the length and breadth of EU countries have turned up in force to join in the birthday celebrations. Now, in Brussels, as no doubt all across the EU, today will be all about unity.
I'm half English and half French, and I was born in Belgium. Without Europe, I wouldn't be here.
I think the European Union has fundamentally been a big part of the reason that we've had peace in Europe for more than 60 years.
It's time to show that we believe in the project and that even if there is need for improvement, there are many things to be said which are very, very positive. And it's a good thing not only to do the bashing of Europe, but also to show that many things have been marvelous about the European Union and we should continue our way.
But these celebrations belie a bittersweet reality. In just a mere 4 days, the British Prime Minister will trigger the formal process of divorce proceedings and end decades of historical unity. The EU is without a doubt at a crossroads, needing to forge a new path that is inclusive of all 27 members that will remain post-Brexit to stop the rot of disenfranchisement.